Hi everyone. Today I'm going to introduce to you how to debug Python programs. How to debug Python programs. In Python, there is a module that you can import to debug, which is pdb. And then there is a pdb.trace so that you can trace the debug. But luckily, from the Python version 3.7, there is a PDB prompt available if you put a breakpoint inside your coding list. Okay, so when it comes to coding list, as a Python interpreter parse your code, then from there you will see PDB prompt. In this PDB prompt, the command that you can use this. Okay, first of all, if you put the Q, then you can quit the PDB so that the execution continues to the end of um, the terminal points. I'm going to give you a little bit of the things that you can use. That is B for break, and then CL for clear, C for continue, and then there's N for next. There is a S for send, and a little bit of this H for help. And then also you can see arguments, ALGS, that's for arguments. Jump, if you know any specific things that you can jump to, and exit, and run, where, yeah, those things that may be very, very handy. In this quick sort, this is a string list. Within this list, it calls partition function. This partition function has an array. Array is nothing but a list, right? And then low and high, low index and high index. And therefore, this can be sorted. Here, when you see the breakpoint, so you simply run within Python 3.7 that when it comes to this breakpoints, then the execution stops there and then gives you a PDB prompt. In the PDB prompt, you can use next, continue, whatever. So I'm going to do this, and here you can see the help by pressing H. Then you will see the one that you just saw that, right? And then next, then you can see this. Here, if you want to see the initial states, then there is a list is a 57, 34, 1, 87, 21. There is a given list. It is not in any order, right? This is a given. And then we can do next, 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 continue, NILGS. Then you see immediately there's a little bit of lyrical signs, right? The smallest one comes the first, and then there is some other orders, right? So if you do next, next, and then somehow and next, see, oh, already done. I'm sorry. Then LST is in this order, right? So in this way that you can check where that things is going on. And here, for example, next, then what is I, what is J, and what is it J? J is not yet come. And next, and then there is a J. You can see next. See what is okay. But anyway, so args low and high here low and high, that is low and high is 0 and 4, and then next args, then low and high still the same, next, and then next, and then next. So you can see which points it is swapped. So this is 50, this is given, and then right here that is swapped, right? So which one's swapped? 56 and the number 1, they are swapped. All others remain the same. In this way, you can see if the logic that you want to implement runs properly, correctly. All right, this is a way that you can see